Today, we're diving into Oppo's most exciting foldable, yet the all-new Oppo Find N5. It's sleeker, smarter, and more powerful than ever. Let's get right into it. Oppo has refined its foldable game once again. The Find N5 keeps the compact, horizontal foldable design, but now features a 6.5-inch outer AMOLED display, with a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Inside, you'll find a stunning 7.8-inch LTPO AMOLED main screen, boasting 2K resolution, HDR10+ support, and up to 2000 nits peak brightness, making it one of the brightest foldables on the market. Build-wise, the hinge is improved with Oppo's new generation flexion, Hinge 2.0, offering an almost invisible crease and a super smooth folding mechanism. Under the hood, the Find N5 is powered by the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. This thing flies perfect for multitasking, gaming, or split-screen work. It runs on ColorOS 14, based on Android 14, optimized with enhanced multitasking features, smart floating windows, and a desktop-style taskbar on the inner screen. Camera-wise, Oppo doesn't disappoint. The Find N5 features a triple-lens setup, co-engineered with Hasselblad, a 50MP Sony IMX890 main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a 32MP telephoto with 2x optical zoom. Selfies? You're covered with a 32MP front camera on both the outer and inner displays, perfect for vlogging or video calls. Powering it all is a 4800 mAh battery, with 67W SuperVOOC wired charging, 30W wireless, and even 10W reverse wireless charging. Plus, you get stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, Wi-Fi 7, and a solid IPX4 splash resistance rating, a rare feature for foldables. N5 has elegant design, flagship power, and polished software in a compact form. But here's a fact: over 80% of our viewers watch our videos without subscribing. So if you love in-depth, no-nonsense tech reviews, hit that subscribe button now and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out.